Hey guys, today is Tuesday, November 17th. Our I can statement is I can cite key details in a text and ask questions about them. So our goal today is to be reading a text and to find a key detail. Remember that key details are those is the information in the text that is right there. It's right there facts that support the main topic. So today we are going to read about magnet power. We're also reading about magnets today because that's our science standard is to be looking at magnets. And so today we're going to read about magnets. Magnet Power by Buffy Silverman. So, what is a magnet? Nails dangle from a magnet. What holds the nails on the magnet? A magnetic field pulls the nails to the magnet. A magnet has a force around it. You cannot see the force. The force is called a magnetic field. I'm looking at my text feature. It says the black dust on this paper is tiny pieces of iron. The magnetic force pulls the iron pieces to the magnet. All magnets have a magnetic field. The field attracts iron, nickel, and certain other metals. Look at the objects below. Why are the block, marbles, and dice stuck to the magnet? Let's go ahead and look at them. Block, marbles, and dice. But then look, we have nails, paper clips, pins, screws. All of those are connected to the magnet. And remember that the field only attracts certain types of metals. Magnets have poles. What happens if two magnets are held together? Sometimes they pull together. Sometimes they push apart. This pyramid was made with yellow magnets and steel balls. The end of the magnets pull together. A magnet has two ends called poles. One end is called the North Pole, N. The other pole is called the South Pole, S. So, North Pole, South Pole. The North Pole of one magnet attracts the South Pole of another magnet. So look, North and South are attracted. The North Pole of one magnet and the South Pole of another magnet will pull together. Poles that are different pull together. Poles that are the same push apart. They repel each other. So, north and north you cannot put together. So it says, can you bring the north ends of two magnets together? No. The magnets push apart. So, do you think the same thing would happen with the south poles? Yes. The Earth is a magnet. The Earth acts like a giant magnet. The Earth has two magnetic poles. Its magnetic field stretches out into space. How crazy, right? We have the North Pole and then we have the South Pole. And look, it's showing you which way the magnetic field goes. Let a magnet swing on a string. The North Pole of the magnet moves. It is pulled toward the Earth's North Pole. I did not know that. A compass uses the Earth's magnetic field to tell directions. The needle inside is a magnet. If you hold the compass still, the needle will point north. For hundreds of years, people have used compasses to find their ways. So, there, the end. So now let's go ahead and look back here. Remember that we were looking for key details that support the main topic. So our main topic was about what? How magnets work. So one of our key details from this is a magnetic field pulls nails up to a magnet. So then I want to take that one key detail and I want to turn that now into a question. What pulls nails to a magnet? Well, then if I reverse it, this would then become my statement. So what I want you to do is go ahead and ask someone at home with you. Tell them about a key detail that you discovered in our book, Magnet Power. Then I want you to turn that into a question. When you're all done with that, you're going to, again, listen to and read one book on Raz Kids. You're going to listen, read, and quiz. Then you are going to record yourself asking 2 questions about your book that you read. Now make sure that these books that you're listening to are nonfiction books. And then you're going to watch Miss Ryle's reading lesson, and then you're going to write all about magnets. All right, guys, have a great day.